Why would a sniper ever pick a slower, weaker bullet? Simple. Because when stealth is survival, quiet matters more than power. Subsonic ammo doesn't break the sound barrier. No crack, no echo, no attention, just silent. Pair that with a suppressor and the shot becomes almost ghost-like. No flash, no bang, just one silent takedown. These aren't designed for long-range hits. They're for close quarters, urban ops, and missions where detection means death. Think tight alleyways, dark hallways, or enemy territory where one noise could blow your cover. Picture this, you're deep behind enemy line. One guard, one shot. If anyone hears it, you're done. That's where subsonic ammo shine. But there's a trade-off. Shorter range, less punch, and bullets drop faster due to gravity. It demands precision and proximity. It's not always about the loudest weapon. Sometimes the deadliest tool is the quietest.